and left Jamaica when he was a toddler.
He left there at 5, you know. And his mother died over there, and his grandmother is very shaky, you know. So he realized now that she'll have to take up this responsibility of sheltering him, which she can, but to get him adjusted. And as what I say about other deportees, sometimes it's not all deportees are bad. Some are good, some are bad. You know, when they go over to England, they sometimes hide their identification. So when the cops catch them, now they don't know what country they are from. And they are over there working until one day the Home Office comes down on them. Some of them over there and don't get regularized. It's best not to get deported.
Don't get complacent in people in place. Don't go over there go broke people in law and order and them thing there. Is it? I make a put a bad name on Jamaican card. I pay that to not do it, you know. You know what go on with we as people as on the island. No. We need to check ourselves here. All we need to check ourselves. We are than abroad. We need to check ourselves. Because we're not cheap with people them good. The plain land, yes, the plain land. 107 Jamaican come back from the island. Yeah man, 107 Jamaican get deported again. Greetings and welcome people. There once again. See me? We touch on the deported topic already, you know. You see me? And if you don't realize that I notice that you can check what I'm with them. But tell the people them say, yo, don't sell out. Don't sell out. Yeah, you know. Yeah, if you sell out yard, make sure you go for it and get straight. If you sell out yard and not go for it and get straight and over there in the people in place and get yourself problem or trouble or they run up and down like a wild animal. You know, catch up on you one at a time and you go send them back to your yard. So make sure say you did that. Connect with the family in my yard or send the money come my yard or something. Yeah, build up something down here. Yeah, set something down here already. Because if you get the opportunity to live Jamaica and Jamaica done hard already, people down here struggle already. You see me I say? And if they get them open, or the place free up a type of way for Jamaica and them can live and go places. All the way left and gone. Straight, no joke. And the government them all alone with a still and probably some tourists. But most of the Jamaican people them gone. Because Jamaica hard. Not there Jamaica, the system of Jamaica is 100%, you know, people. You see me I say, right down from the head, right down. The system is 100%. Jamaica, you know why Jamaica can't sell them people, I love them people, I treat them people the right way. That's why many of we want left and go away. You see me I say, when we go away, we don't even want to get straight. We just want to go away and get complacent in the people and place. Like say a full place with it. You see me I say, and go over there and want to call people them law and them things there. Because we can't follow law, you know. Because Jamaica a lawless place, you know. And be a lawlessness one upon this island. No true. We don't like to see place better, but be a corruption. You see me I say? So you see when the people them get the opportunity to live and gone, they not try to get straight or try to help build up all them places or they don't want to come back. Jamaica corrupt. No system not there for people. You see me I say? So you see right now, we are telling one them, you know. It's sad, you know. You know what I mean? If you know so enough of them now left Jamaica and go over there and now try to get anything up to date or straight note or try to set back certain things that yeah, certain we are. Whatever the case is, still because we don't know what I want. You see me I say? And so they send back 107 Jamaican and more to come. In a couple months and years to come, to forward, more Jamaican are get deported. So we are saying, while I want them out there, who have family out there and things, we send this to them. And we know, say, yo, we place hard, when I run off, we don't want to come back, we make sure some people link back a yard. If we sell out yard and things and get deported, nobody now picking up a airport and they're on the own. Straight. You know what I mean? I will see that many a time we see them things the way people never remember. If Jamaica from them are youth and never try to keep a connection with the people in backyard. Them they are England, them they are America, Canada, everywhere. Grew up there, this and that, yeah, and then push come to shop, then get sent back. Them now know no knowledge of Jamaica, them don't know nothing. You see me I say when they come out and butter them a butter, they never remember where them a come from. So if I left Jamaica probably when you're 20, see, and you go over there you're 40, and get deported, it's not so bad but you're still, you can have an overstanding and what go on, But if you left Jamaica in your teens and come back when you're in your 40s or 50s or late 30s, you have a problem. Straight, no joke. So you have to know them things there. The people who are left Jamaica go foreign, go create family or pick up people and things, and some of them remember them come. Yo, things can happen to you, you have to build, set things a yard, and keep connection a yard, just in case anything happen to you. This one time them thing happen to you, we see all the news show 107 Jamaican and people might look and wonder what one. Them type of thing happen. Remember when I come from, when I get straight and I run up and down there people in place and get straight and abide by the rules and regulation. You see? And when you get deported, now when you feel like say people out there, when you left and go foreign and call and ask and go $20 or $50 or whatever. You know, hey, we know the foreign are not easy like, but better opportunity, more opportunity to them place there than Jamaica. Jamaica paradise, Jamaica place for your fake kids. Jamaica not create an opportunity for them people. So nobody people want left to go out to go see what life is all about. But it's not easy out there either. When you make a little thing and you can remember your family and know you are struggle to build up a thing, your thing just corrupt because you can't just you own a family them some of the time to do certain things. So thing corrupt, it just stick on we as people. Because if we get ill-treated by our family and we get opportunity for God, we want to remember them. And when we remember them and things happen to we don't have nobody feeling anything. So you see our thing just unbalanced away still. So we can't really say people must sell out and we because yeah, people sell out because some of them family are corruption. We don't want to deal with them. But then when they sell out and go over there, them not try to get straight and abide by the rules and regulation. So they get deported and find themselves in the middle of nowhere. Because nobody not pick them up, nobody not help them, nobody, you see me I say? So deportation thing and one normal thing. Set on yourself, prepare on yourself. You never know what can happen, what can forward. You see me I say? You have to balance up man and do the right thing man. If you get the opportunity to play Jamaica, do the right thing. Balance yourself. You see me I say? And try to keep link hard. Yo, we have to just try and make the right thing. Because if we know people there Jamaica corruption on the left and go foreign, we know no one come back in that corruption. We not even want to send a phone call to them people where corruption straight. So yo, we have to know when I just try to keep a link or a woman or some yo, I don't know, it's rough. Because the Jamaican people them are straight bad mind and straight bad mind. I mean I say bad mind for material thing or vanity thing, then just nothing positive. So you're there, you struggle, you have a family and not help them and when them fly out and gone, you think them are going to help you and then them people are start make life hard, whatever the case that things happen to them. You see, no unity. Because the one where they are Jamaica corrupt, the one them where fly out gone, sell out, they're busy with them people again and they find themselves in a problem. And have to come back to the same corruption people then. And the corruption people then. When they come back to the corruption people then, them not busy with them, then they on their own. But when you fly out and gone and lift up, you see? The surrounding where you come out and corruption, straight, see? And when you lift up and gone out of this corruption, you don't remember corruption. I'm done with that. But if you lift out the corruption and get straight, just remember, you come right back in that corruption. And if you don't say nothing for yourself, you're right back in that corruption. Remember that. And them corruption people with their Jamaica will not think about themselves good and about them family good and about them people good. You can just imagine what happened to you because for we as people know a material thing we are deal with. We not real love, we not with people again for our family, our friend, or just people in general. You see? So it's best not to get deported. I tell you one thing, when you get straight, you will think up to date. Come back to Jamaica, come build up on the thing, fly out back, do the thing, set up on the thing. You see me I say? Don't get complacent in people in place. Don't go over there go block the people in law and order and them thing there. You see it? I make a put a bad name on Jamaica because I be that to not do what they do. You know what I go on with we as people as on the island. No. We need to check ourselves, yeah? All of we need to check ourselves, yard and abroad. We need to check ourselves. Because we're not treat with people them good. No time at all. Like, government, them might see same thing. We're not treat with people them good. You see me, I say? We're not drag it out too much no ones and ones. You just know, say, it's best not to get deported and tell the family and keep loving them and treat the people them good. You see me, I say? Stop bring corruption to the family or within the family. When the family left and get the opportunity to go to America or anywhere out there, them now remember we never treat them with love a yard already. And when they left and gone, them now get straight, them get complacent, them get comfortable. Yeah. And then push come to shove, I straight back in their corruption, them are forward. Because they never try to set themselves or build nothing for themselves. You see it? So yo, send it out, people like what we've done, leave in the comment and subscribe from the new one. You see it? Because, like I said, it's best not to get deported. You know what I mean? But pull and mighty, live while love and gratitude.